Yeah, this is going to be the interior of it. It's made of aluminum. This would be cast aluminum, and then this was turned on a lathe to make it like round. This has a 1/2 inch piece of threaded rod in the middle. Here's the main body, and this would go in here like this. Then we got 2 little spacers. This is the nut for the top. This again, I believe, was cast aluminum. Here's the main body, and this would go in here like this. Then you're going to have something to break the bead. This is to break the bead, these 2 parts. We'll put this together and see what we got. Here's a handle. And we got a couple pins, 3 of them. We'll see how they go together. There's 1 long one and 2 short ones. Now use this tool to get that valve out. There's a valve in this, right here in this stem here. So you're going to take this part right here. It's got a little groove in it that fits over that valve. I guess it's called a Schrader valve. There's only a little bit of air in it. This tire isn't as bad as the other one. Got to put this handle on. Do your best to get it on there. We'll put a little soap on it. Get it on there. Of course, they got sharp edges here. Alright, so I'm going to do this again. This, I didn't have the camera on when I put this down here, but I got the first bead on. Alright, now I'm going to put this one on. Alright, first of all, push it on there. I know it's slippery and everything, but you're going to have to keep it slippery. Alright, take this flat area, put that up against your rim, like this. Push it down. Push it down. Hold on to your tire. Go around. You might have to do what I did before. Put your vice grips on there. I took a piece of aluminum, rounded the edges, and I'm going to use that to protect my rim so that I don't gouge it all up. Right? Put that on. Then put your vice grips on. Put the sheet metal on. This happens to be aluminum, just a piece of aluminum. Fold it over. And use that on your rim. Okay, now this tricky part here, you got to go over your vice grips and hold it down at the same time. Hold this red tool down same time. See how that went on? It's really quite easy after you do it a couple times. Take your vice grips off. Take your piece of aluminum and so what if it's all messed up? Might be able to use it a few times. Alright, now we got the basic tire on there. make sure that it didn't come off on the bottom. That's what I'm doing. I'm feeling around here and make sure it's okay. Okay, we're going to put this tire back on here. What I did was, this is threaded rod, this is 3/4 of an inch, and it happens to be almost the exact size of this hole right here. All right, so put your tire on there, put the valve up, put a washer on here, like that. Put your tire on, put it down. This is a 3/4 inch nut, large washer. This hole in the middle is approximately 1 inch ID, inside diameter. Put that on. Put the nut on. The last time I put this little Schrader valve, I put it back in. And this portion has to go at the top. It's a little like square area, squared off. Put that at the top. Then you use this portion at the top, has a slot in it. Use that to screw the Schrader valve back in.